We love cats, but their hair can be hard to handle. While there's nothing more satisfying than cuddle time with your kitten, it's them you want sticking around your lap, not the fur. In addition to battling pet hair in your home and dealing with high-maintenance grooming, a lot of the focus on floofs can center on allergic reactions. Because when it comes to allergies, fur can be murder on our sinuses. To help you with this, we're going to tell you about 10 cat breeds that don't shed or smell. Number 10. Sphinx. Of the bald is beautiful class, the Sphinx is probably the most widely recognizable breed. You've probably seen it showcased in the laps of various Bond film villains. While seemingly hair-free, the truth is that most hairless cats can actually have a fine, thin layer of tiny fuzz. Though it may seem counterintuitive, hairless cats aren't necessarily hypoallergenic, and the Sphinx is no exception. They can still produce allergens in their dander and saliva, so if allergies are an issue for you, this may not be a feline fit. With less hair comes great responsibility due to their skimpy coats. Hairless cats require special care, since Sphinx cats have no fur to protect them from tracking on too much heat. They tend to sweat and accumulate a layer of greasy film on their skin. This greasy residue can pick up dirt, dust, and other debris, which causes them to get dirtier and stinkier over time. In addition, they also cannot clean themselves properly, so they are pretty much dependent on their human companions for their hygiene. Although not all Sphinx cats get oily and dirty as quickly, bi-weekly or monthly baths are generally recommended for optimal hygiene. It's a good idea to be mindful of your cat's skin and check if there's an accumulation of dirt, which often results in a reddish tone in its skin. Exposed skin means less natural protection from sun, dirt, and temperature changes, which you'll need to combat with a more robust grooming routine. It may also mean more frequent bathing and a specialized diet. Number 9. Burmese. Cat owners with this breed attest that its attributes are as beautiful as its Thai name, which means beautiful and fortunate. They are indeed fortunate because this cat does not shed much fur, meaning those baths are easy, fun, and occasional. Like its close relative, the Siamese, the Burmese has a soft, short coat that doesn't shed a ton. Shedding is minimal, and weekly brushing will keep your Burmese cat's coat healthy and shiny by removing loose hair and redistributing skin oils. Not only are they hyperallergenic, but they have a trait called glistening that gives their coat a shiny, glimmering finish. Burmese, with their natural tendencies to follow their owners and to give and receive affection, Burmese cats are almost dog-like. These heavy cats are very muscular with heavy boning, but notes they're still quite athletic, leaping from perch to perch. The Burmese will stay well groomed with occasional brushing, and they love the company of their owners and other pets. Number 8. Color Point Shorthair. What do you get when you mix the typical domestic shorthair with a Siamese? The elegant Color Point Shorthair. Sleek and strong, this cat has a short coat that sheds only a little, but it loves a good brushing. It also loves its owners, demanding affection but showing plenty of it in return. They have short hair, as the name suggests, and experience very little shedding. The short silky fur can do with little maintenance. Other than washing them, you can also opt to run a comb to remove head hair quickly. The grooming should be done moderately to avoid hair damage and hair loss. Number 7. Devon Rex. This cat breed is relatively rare, originally from England. It is one of the most intelligent cat breeds, and its wavy coat earned it the name poodle cats. Though they are not entirely hyperallergenic, their wavy coats reduce allergic triggers. A small feline with comically big ears, a Devon Rex definitely doesn't look like your typical house cat. Fortunately, they don't shed like the typical house cat either, and have a very short, curly coat that's actually so fragile it shouldn't be brushed. These smarties love to jump, play, and socialize with their owners and other pets. The short-haired breeds shed less far, making it friendly to first-time cat owners who may be novices on issues of attending to their cats. Number 6. Siberian. You're probably wondering why this Russian cat has made it to the list regardless of its long and thick coat. It does shed a lot of furs. However, the process happens seasonally, like twice a year, meaning it is as good as the short-haired ones that do not shed much. Moreover, they are hyperallergenic. Siberian felines are a 3-layered coat and need little maintenance. Despite its long and plentiful coat, Siberian cats actually shed less hair than many other breeds and are known to be hyperallergenic. They can grow to be quite large, thanks in no small part to their outsized fur, and can be very agile in spite of their size. All of this additional floof requires rigorous grooming and weekly brushing, if maintenance is a concern for you. Number 5. Oriental Shorthair Cat. Oriental Shorthairs are related to the Siamese family, so it makes sense that they wouldn't shed too much either. Another relative of the Siamese, the intelligent Oriental Shorthair certainly has a distinctive look. One even recently gained fame for resembling Kylo Ren from Star Wars, and they have a thin coat that doesn't shed much. They also produce lower levels of the fel-D1 protein that can trigger allergies, according to Catalogical. These cats can be taught tricks and will soak up all the attention you can give them. They have short, smooth hair that doesn't require a lot of maintenance at all. Just keep in mind that they really love attention and require a lot of it. Number 4. Bengal. Bengal is a crossbreed of the Egyptian Mau, Asian leopard cats, and other domestic cats. They are less likely to shed their short fur. The older they get, the more they tend to shed. One unique feature about Bengals is that they like cleaning themselves. The short hair implies that they are more manageable in grooming and cleaning. They are also hyperallergenic. Bengal cats have a distinctive coat that resembles those found on their non-domesticated, larger relatives like the leopard. Luckily, their attractive fur sheds less frequently than other breeds and requires less maintenance. Despite its wild appearance, Bengals are typically highly affectionate and social. They're also often extremely active and vocal, meaning that you should provide plenty of free space for them to explore and speak out. Number 3. Cornish Rex. Most cats have double coats, consisting of both woolly undercoat and an outer layer of coarse guard hairs. Cornish Rex only possess an undercoat, known as down hair, which is extremely soft, distinctively curly, and less likely to shed than others. It has a wavy and curly light coat as a result of crossbreeding. The coat makes it stand out more because, while other felines have 3 distinct hair types, Cornish Rex only has one, the undercoat. This characteristic explains the soft and wavy appearance. It is also the reason why they are very delicate now that they lack guard hairs. Like other cats that shed lightly, they require minimal maintenance and grooming. They typically have a smaller head than other breeds, often emphasized by their oversized ears. Be prepared to play. Cornish Rex are highly active, and when they want your attention, you'll know it. Number 2. Siamese. Easily recognized by their distinctive markings and striking blue eyes, Siamese are a popular, low-shed cat. Don't expect this extraordinary breed to make typical cat purrs or meows. In addition to their distinctive coat, Siamese voices are known for being a unique cross between a rasp and a yowl. Siamese cats are quite exotic looking, and while they may appear a little fluffy, they don't shed as much as many other breeds. They have a very short, fine coat that's easy to maintain and doesn't shed often. And if you use a fine-tooth comb to remove dead hair on a weekly basis, there's even less shedding. And number 1, Bombay. If you've ever wanted a pet panther, a Bombay cat might be the right pet for you. Keeping a Bombay cat is the closest you'll ever get to domesticating a panther. It is one of the Burmese-linked breeds and sheds little fur occasionally. Sadly, Bombay cats are not truly hyperallergenic, because no cat is. However, they are fairly low shedders compared to some cat breeds. The Bombay cat can make for a good candidate. Do let us know in the comments which one of these cat breeds you want to get. Please subscribe to the Wiggle Paw. Thanks for watching.